How to fix the push notifications on Tinder app. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting some trouble with the push notification, here is a way out. First of all, launch it in the application and get logged in. Now tap on the profile which is on the bottom right and then tap on the settings or the gear icon. Then after scroll down and under the bottom section you will see notifications. From there, you have to tap on push notification which is on the second option. Once you tap on it, you will see different types of options of new matches, messages, message likes, super likes, offers and promotions, and new likes. Make sure you toggle on all of the options that you want. And also you can sure if you want notification for every new like, 10 likes or 100 likes. And this way, your issue should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.